Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lieutenant Commander Dheeraj Yadav, coming from the background of submarines and cyber. So I lead uh, cybersecurity at Mitigata, previously at India Shelter Finance Corporation Limited. So risk has always been a part of my life. Uh, so we consider ourselves as first line of defense, and to detect to detect the risk, what you need to defend, you need to identify the risk. So in cybersecurity domain, first thing is to identify the risk. Compliance helps. To mitigate the risk, security helps, and to transfer the risk, insurance helps. So we are the only player in India to offer all these three services under one umbrella. India ranks second in the cyber attacks worldwide. For example, in the recent case, one of the financial firm, their API was vulnerable, KYC data leaked, and then multiple actions were done. So what happened here was risk was ignored, risk was not mitigated, and risk was not transferred. A cocktail for disaster. So here, what we do is, while there are three different risk categories, 25 subcategories, 1,000 plus action items and 4,000 vendors. Well, this is what a CTO has to deal on daily basis, and this creates the need for a single vendor solution to manage the risk in cyberspace. So at Mitigata, we build a full stack cyber resilience platform, providing solutions across three categories. Uh, and the subcategories includes, for example, SOAK provides continuous monitoring and incident response. VAPT and red teaming, that definitely helps to proactively identify and exploit the vulnerabilities. How a threat actor would be attacking you, same done legally. Threat intelligence, dark web monitoring, feed soak intelligence gives you a early warning. Like for example, zero-day attacks. We have found multiple zero-day attacks. Even we have in-house malware development capabilities. We are able to identify few zero days on our own also. And together they form a unified cybersecurity ecosystem that definitely detects, prevents, tests, and responds to threats. Well, AI into picture, and AI is the talk of the town these days. Same is for the threat actors. So until unless we don't have the data sets on which threat actors are working on daily basis, we will not be able to defend ourselves. So in-house, we have the capability to have the data sets, train our own AI models for SOC. Until, like in the armed forces, until unless you don't know how a terrorist attacks or terrorist behaves, you will not be, your armed forces will not be able to defend you. Same in-house capability we have, and that is how we have included that capability for our SOC development, for our VAPT or red teaming engagements, uh, like, and same in dark web. Finding the vulnerabilities, leak data is in advance, including the individuals. A recent case where an employee of a company was made disgruntled because his personal information was exploited, his next of kin's numbers and details were available, and the threat actors exploited that. That was out of the India, but that is one of the such cases. TTPs and IOCs of threat actors, also knowing that. So we have clients like IDBI, clients like India Bulls, which gives us a presence in fintech sector also. Uh, our team includes Bhranti Shah. Our team includes Dr. Lalit. Well, Bhranti was the lady uh, who was responsible for India's first cyber insurance policy. And Dr. Lalit, well, he was one of the co-founders in the initial stages of CERTIN and one of the advisors as RBI. And my expertise in the security, so we bring in-house a complete one-stop solution for cybersecurity. So catering for the time, we'll be giving a small demo of our solution.
and open source intelligence. For social media monitoring, we support multiple platforms, but if you want to focus on any specialized platform, that can also be added. All the alerts identified for them takedown can be initiated at a single click. For any alert, infringing URLs and evidences are also provided, and they are also categorized based on their severity. Similar to the brand monitoring, we have executive monitoring, where you can monitor for your executives as well across different platforms, raise the alerts for that, and raise those alerts for them based on the severity. For easy tracking purpose, all the takedowns are listed under takedown tracker module. Here you'll be able to see based on the severity or based on the status of these takedowns, you'll be able to see, and if needed, can communicate with the team for immediate actions or understanding the status of these alerts. We have next we have dark web monitoring module. Once organizations are onboarded, we continuously monitor millions of records under dark web or to identify any kind of organization data leaks or credentials data leaks of your employees. Your domains and IPs can also be monitored against the dark web. We also monitor more than 400 plus ransomware groups. If there is any recent activities is identified with these groups, those will also be showcased so that you are well ahead of the curve. Industry leaks, recent leaks are all identified and showcased in the structure dashboard so that your information security teams can continuously work upon against the recent threats which are being used in the industry. For compliance part, we have a in-house GRC, automated GRC module as well, under which we support various frameworks. ISO 27001 is by default, but if you want to go for the readiness of any of the frameworks, it can be enabled on demand. For each framework, you will get a dashboard where you will be able to see the uh, posture of your audit or the readiness for any of the framework, how many policies have been approved, or how many evidences have been collected, how many controls have been implemented or controls have been reviewed. We create automated workflows, and anything which needs your immediate attention, you will get to see in the dashboard as well. For any framework, you will be able to see what all controls which needs to be implemented, what is the status of that, how much it's been implemented, and if you want to see more details about that control or the underlying sub controls, you'll be able to see it here.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.